just finished with all of this work up through the shoulder, and we're going to just use some basic strokes to transition ourselves to point in the other direction. And now what we're going to do is work everything from here on down. What you need to realize is that as you take your tools, your fingertips, your knuckles, your thumbs, keeping your straight lines, we're actually going to be going down the plane of the body and then coming up. Make sure that you're following the body that way and you don't keep digging into the bone. It's not comfortable. So take your fingertips or your thumbs and we're going to go down. And this is a little deeper pressure. And watch. The body goes up. And I'm going to take that stroke and come off, not on the bone, but in the tissue of the glutes, right through there. Again, down. And I'm kind of almost at a 45-degree angle. Pushing in, and I go down, and I let the body guide me, and go up and off. Remember our sets of 3, and down. Now we're going to do an alternating thumb stroke in the same way. And this is different than the opening back strokes that we did. We're going to kind of keep our pressure at a 45, but traveling. So I'm going to move my hand so you can kind of see this. Travel in, back and forth, and then come up. Be careful along the bone, and off. Just like that. Keep nice straight lines in and around. So this is a really great time to say that when people use their thumbs a lot, their thumbs get tired. The trick that massage therapists know is as I'm pushing in, I'm using my body weight to push in. I'm not just twiddling my thumbs on someone's back. I'm alternating a motion, but my body is pushing the weight down into their body. And that's a total different feeling than just trying to push with your thumbs. Okay? All right. Now we're going to shift our angle and we're going to just bring our thumbs up through that lower back. And we're going to go up as high as the rib, in the middle, and then towards the bottom. Now, some people that you work on, their hip bone and their rib sit right on top of each other, and this may be an uncomfortable stroke, so alter it as needed. You don't have to do this one. It feels good for the people who have space. Doesn't feel so good for the people that don't. All right. Now we're going to integrate our work. So now we're going to take all of this work that we did and we're going to integrate it. I'm going to show you how to use your elbow. The elbow is the tool that has the greatest amount of pressure, so we're going to take some time to learn how to do that.